how do we animate an eye blink in Premiere Pro or any other video editing software. These layers on the timeline make up our character. To animate an eye blink, I have drawn this layer on the top of the timeline that I have named left blink. Look, I'm trimming the starting of this layer to only come in at the time I want the blink to start, and also the end to the point I want the blink to stop. This is the way you can produce a simple blink animation in just a few minutes. But if you want to produce a more realistic blink animation, subscribe to this very channel for a detailed explanation on how you can animate a realistic animation of a blink.